Applying for a UK visit visa is straightforward, but many applicants face rejections due to common mistakes. First, complete the online application form on the official UKVI website, pay the fee, and book an appointment at your nearest visa center. You'll need a valid passport, proof of accommodation, return flight tickets, and strong financial evidence showing you can afford the trip. If someone in the UK is sponsoring you, include their invitation letter and bank statements. Also, provide proof of strong ties to your home country, such as employment, property, or family responsibilities, to show you'll return after your visit. Common reasons for rejection include weak financial proof, lack of clear travel plans, insufficient ties to home, or inconsistencies in documents. Always double-check that all information matches across forms, letters, and bank statements. Submitting a well-organized and honest application greatly increases your chances of approval. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more UK visa tips.